Hi friends, I'm Saptagiri Reddy, language and skills trainer and a corporate trainer. I have recently attended the basic NLP program conducted by Ashish Pandeji. He's really a wonderful trainer, and the content and the way he delivered it and the way he made us to practice these things seriously is really amazing. Earlier, I have attended few sessions, few other sessions, but there, they just give us the instructions and they give us the material. That's it. No one is bothered to actually uh, make us sit and practice. And it's really a wonderful thing here. We have practiced a lot in these 5 days, and we really learned a lot. And we were able to delete some of the past mm, things that are still, holding us to from moving forward. We were able to delete few of them. It's really a wonderful training program where, now I have become serious. Now I am serious. I seriously wanted to, implement these things in my life. And because again, there are many lives, you know maybe hundreds and thousands of people's lives are depending on my actions, because I'm a trainer, I'm a coach, I'm a mentor. So first I need to make myself clear, strong and empowered, so that I can help the people in, transforming their dreams into reality. So I'm seriously working on it, and this is only possible, you know with the hidden hands and Ashish Pandeji, the wonderful trainer. Thank you so much for the life changing experience, and continuously motivating us to, work on these things. Thank you, Ashish Pandeji. Thank you, Guru Schools and our Millionaires Club members. You are awesome. Thank you.